reuse them in Claude AI. If you're using Claude AI, so today I'm going to tell you about some templates you can easily use when and after you need. So you just have to simply open your browser. Here you have to go to your Claude AI. So I'm gonna open my Claude AI here. You have to make sure that you're logged in or signed into your account. Now once you are here, you have some different steps or some different prompts for different tasks. So if you need a general help or a general assistant, so you have a simple prompt that might help you every time you need general assistant. So here's the template you can save to use in later. You just have to change these bracket words. So let's say if you want to get a role or if you want to give a role to your Claude AI, so you can change this bracket section and you might have to enter your role here. Then you have to enter your objective in this section, then context, then your requirements, and after all you have to enter or specify your output format. Once you have done, just click on submit and your prompt will be ready with just a simple template. And I have another template too for research. If you are a researcher or if you like to research about anything, so I have a simple template prompt you can use. I'm gonna pasting that here. So the very first you have to enter the research topic in this topic section, and then you have to enter these requirements. You have to enter all the requirements from here. And once you have entered, just click submit, and your prompt will be ready with just a simple prompt template. And I also have a prompt if you need step-by-step guide or step-by-step plan for your project. So let's say I'm gonna pasting that here. So the very first thing you have to enter this line, help me complete this project, then enter the project heading and describe your project here. And then you have to enter this as it is, or if you want to make some changes in these requirements, so you can also do that. So here's the break it into major pieces, small actionable tasks, dependencies, estimated effort, recommended orders, and milestones. You have to also enter do not complete the project yet, focus only creating the plan. So if you have entered this line, it will not complete your project, it will only focus to creating the plan and it will create a plan for you. So these were some basic templates or prompt templates for your Claude. You can easily save and use after when you need. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.